Hello, everyone. Welcome to RRenova. It is a pleasure to introduce to you one of our co-founders, Mr. JEF TAYLER. He is the Chief Marketing Officer. Jeb, are you there?
Yes, I am, Angel. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to speak with you today and everyone around the world. We are so excited about RRenova and this opportunity. With our company, we are perfectly positioned to take advantage of the worldwide growth in Forex trading, in nutritionals, and what's most exciting, the cryptocurrency market. Right now with RRenova, you have an opportunity to get started in your own business for yourself, but not by yourself. We are going to give you the marketing, the training, the support system, and the most state-of-the-art compensation plan you have ever seen. I could not be more excited to be working with this great company in times where people need a true opportunity. People are looking to make a difference. People are looking to change the quality of their life. And with RRenova, our mission is to change people's lives forever. And we're going to do that with amazing trading in the Forex and cryptocurrency market, giving you your own online presence for online shopping and nutritional. You won't believe the products we give you. We're also going to have your own worldwide online travel portal where you'll be able to travel anywhere in the world at deep discounts. And you'll also be able to travel with friends and family and give them those same deep discounts. So when you put it all together and you see this great opportunity, you are going to be amazed with our compensation plan, the product line, the management team, and the training and support. See, everything needs to come together with timing, products and services, and you. You need to be at the right place where you can take advantage of everything we have to offer with RRenova. So I'm going to get right into the compensation plan. And just to give you a little bit about the company, we're dedicated to providing world-class products and services through influencers like you all over the world. And there's so many people like you that are looking to make a difference, that are looking to help people get out of the financial position they're in, that are looking to help people change the quality of their life, both physically, mentally, and financially. And with RRenova, we help you physically, mentally, and financially. And it's amazing what we have in place. This platform is second to none. When you see the compensation plan and the back office, you are going to be blown away. But we're just getting started. The great news is you're in the very beginning. We're in the pre-launch phase of this company. So you're looking at RRenova at the perfect time. If you want to build a business worldwide that can take advantage of the fastest growing trends in the world, like Forex trading, cryptocurrency, nutritional products, online shopping, and travel. If you want to be at the forefront of all those major trends, now is the time with RRenova. So to get right into it, it's very simple to get started with the company. Our lowest position is called Genesis. You can get started in the company as low as $50 USD. Very inexpensive. When you get started at the position, we give you your own website, your own training, and your back office. But for the more serious entrepreneurs, you can get started at advanced. That's simply $100 and gives you a little bit more opportunity as well as a higher position within the organization. Professional for $500, executive for $1,000. And as you move up in the plan, you're going to hit earn positions. So executive is the top you can come in at, but what we're going to help you do through our training and support is get to the Jasper position. It's very simple. It's you and 2 influencers. We can help every one of you get there in 1 or 2 days. If it takes you a week, that's fine. But that's the first goal. Our second goal is as you rank up at Jasper, we're going to get you to Sapphire. And that's simply 3 plus 2, where 3 people come in who each get 2, and you're a Sapphire. Our goal is in the first month for you to become a Sapphire. We know there's going to be people that become Sapphires in the first week or 2 weeks. That's fine. But no matter how long it takes, the most important thing is that you're building a solid, successful business and helping people with products and services they use every day. So at the Sapphire rank, you bring in 3 people who each get 2. You're now a Sapphire. Emerald, it's a little bit more, but you get paid a little bit more. You get a higher binary bonus. You get a higher check match. You also get $80 monthly purchase requirement and 48 points in the marketing plan. Emerald is really what I call the beginning of the compensation plan. This is where you can really start to earn a significant income. And very simply at Emerald, it's just sharing the business with 5 influencers, getting 5 people to join the opportunity who each get 2. And the way this is going to take off and the way you can spread this through social media and your network of influencers, Emerald is going to be attained very quickly. But the ultimate goal here is to get you to Diamond. We want to get you to Diamond as soon as possible. And at the Diamond position, you now really take advantage of all the compensation plan has to offer. Your binary bonus is 20%. Now, one thing I want to stress with the binary, it's a smart binary. It's unlike any other compensation plan you have ever seen. This will strategically build the organization for you without you having to worry about where that rep goes. You also get 3 levels of check match, and you get 90 points. This is where you want to be as soon as possible. This is where significant income can start to be generated. We know there are going to be diamonds who hit this position very, very quickly in the pre-launch stages. I hope that's you. We also have Crown Diamond, where now you get paid 5 levels of check match, and your binary bonus is 25%. And as you build the team, as you build the organization, you won't believe how quickly your organization grows out. And here's a simple example of a smart binary filling in your organization for you. Because as you sponsor 5 wide, remember, in the binary, you can only go 2 wide. So it will put through your team and through spillover exactly where you need in the organization to maximize the compensation plan. That's the great thing about Renova. We have a state-of-the-art back office, the most up-to-date compensation plan, second to none, a smart binary, and we have products and services that people use every day and need. And our education through the Renova Academy is second to none for Forex and cryptocurrency trading and showing people how to create true wealth. Because there is an asset shift. There is a global shift away from traditional markets and into non-traditional markets. We show you at Renova how you can take advantage of that amazing shift of wealth that's taking place all over the world. Why wouldn't you want to position yourself with a company that has the opportunity to change your life forever? We will also be releasing our own Renova token in the coming 2 months, and that every representative will not have to pay for that token. That token will be free, just given out to our representatives and members in the organization who are active and achieving positions within the organization. It will also be a token that can be used for purchases for nutritional products and travel and the cryptocurrency market for Forex trading. This token will have multi-use capability and will be very low to start. But over time, we anticipate the token to grow in value. So it's up to you. Do you want to position yourself with the right company at the right time that has all the products and services in place and with a management team that understands the true success? I've been in the industry for just over 25 years, and I have never seen a compensation plan as good as RRenova. I've never seen a startup organization with the type of tools, marketing and training, and support that this organization has. See, you have it all here in the perfect position and timing for you to go after and make this a life-changing opportunity for you and your family. So I look forward to helping you grow your business. My name is JEF TAYLER. I'm VP of Marketing for RRenova. I'm looking forward to helping every single one of you throughout the world change your life with this great opportunity. Thank you so much, and God bless.